Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Soybean milk has been around for centuries, first appearing in China and later spreading across Asia. It's now a go-to dairy alternative for anyone looking for a plant-based option packed with protein, calcium, and vitamins. Whether you're lactose intolerant, vegan, or just curious, this creamy drink fits easily into smoothies, coffee, or cereal while offering solid nutrition. More people are choosing it over cow's milk, not just for health reasons but also for its mild, adaptable flavor. From traditional breakfast drinks to modern barista blends, soybean milk proves it's more than just a substitute, it's a versatile kitchen staple. Let's break down what makes it so useful and how you can get the most from it. The nutritional profile of soybean milk. Soybean milk isn't just a dairy alternative, it's a nutrient powerhouse. Packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals, it holds its own against cow's milk and even surpasses some plant-based options. Whether you're drinking it straight or blending it into recipes, knowing what's inside helps you make smarter choices for your diet. Protein and amino acids in soybean milk. Soybean milk stands out for its high-quality protein. A single cup delivers about 7 to 10 grams, nearly matching cow's milk. What makes it special? It contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein, something rare in plant-based foods. For vegans or anyone avoiding animal products, this is a big win. Compared to other plant milks like almond or oat, soybean milk's protein content is significantly higher. Almond milk, for example, offers just 1 gram per cup. If you're relying on milk for muscle repair or fullness, soybean milk is the clear choice. Vitamins and minerals. A closer look. Soybean milk isn't just about protein. It's loaded with key nutrients. Calcium. Many fortified versions provide as much as cow's milk, around 30% of your daily needs. This makes it great for bone health. Iron. A cup supplies 10 to 15% of your daily iron, something cow's milk lacks entirely. B vitamins. It's rich in B12 and riboflavin, especially in fortified varieties, supporting energy levels and nerve function. Potassium and magnesium. These help regulate blood pressure and muscle function. Since it's low in saturated fat and cholesterol-free, it's a heart-friendly option too. Comparing soybean milk to other plant-based milks. How does soybean milk stack up against almond, oat, or coconut milk? Here's the breakdown. Protein. Soybean milk leads, with 7 to 10 grams per cup versus almond, oat, and coconut. Calories. It sits in the middle, around 80 to 100 calories per cup, slightly higher than almond milk but lower than oat. Sugar. Unsweetened versions have minimal sugar, unlike some oat or rice milks with added sweeteners. Nutrient density. With more vitamins and minerals naturally present, not just fortified, it's a more balanced option. If you want protein without dairy or a milk that's nutritionally close to cow's milk, soybean milk is a strong contender. It's versatile, filling, and supports overall health better than many alternatives. Health benefits of soybean milk. Soybean milk isn't just a dairy substitute, it's a health booster with perks backed by research. From supporting your heart to strengthening bones, this plant-based drink packs more than just protein. Here's why scientists and nutritionists often recommend it. Heart health and cholesterol management. Soybean milk shines when it comes to heart health. It naturally contains polyunsaturated fats, including omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, without touching the good kind, HDL. Studies show that consuming 25 grams of soy protein daily can lower LDL cholesterol by up to 5%. The secret? Isoflavones, plant compounds in soy that improve blood vessel elasticity and reduce inflammation. The FDA even acknowledges soy's role in cutting heart disease risk. If you're looking for a milk that loves your heart as much as you do, this one's a winner. Bone health and calcium absorption. Cow's milk isn't the only way to get strong bones. Fortified soybean milk delivers a similar calcium punch, about 300 milligrams per cup, meeting 30% of your daily needs. But it doesn't stop there. Soy isoflavones may slow bone loss, especially in postmenopausal women, according to research in the Journal of Nutrition. Here's the twist. Soybean milk also contains magnesium and vitamin D in fortified versions, which help your body absorb calcium better. No wonder it's a top pick for anyone avoiding dairy but still prioritizing bone density. Soybean milk for weight management. If you're watching your waistline, soybean milk could be your ally. A cup has just 80 to 100 calories but keeps you full longer thanks to its high protein and fiber content. Unlike sugary plant milks, unsweetened soy milk has minimal carbs, making it a smart choice for low-carb or keto diets. Research in obesity reviews found that soy protein helps regulate appetite hormones better than other plant proteins. Swap your afternoon snack for a glass of soybean milk, and you might just curb those cravings without the extra calories. Each sip offers more than just refreshment, it's a step toward better health. Whether you're pouring it over cereal or blending it into a smoothie, the benefits stack up quickly. How soybean milk is made. Soybean milk isn't just poured from a carton, it starts with humble soybeans and a careful process to turn them into that smooth, creamy drink. Whether made in a factory or your kitchen, the basics stay the same. Soak, grind, boil, and strain. But the details? Those change depending on scale and tradition. Let's look at how it happens. Traditional versus industrial production methods. Traditional methods keep it simple. First, soybeans soak overnight to soften. Then, they're ground with water into a thick paste. This paste gets boiled to remove raw bean flavor and improve digestibility. After boiling, it's strained through cloth to separate the liquid, soy milk, from the pulp, okara. No fancy machines, just time and elbow grease. Industrial production speeds things up. Factories use stainless steel grinders and high-temperature cookers to process tons of soybeans fast. They skip overnight soaking by using hot water baths. After grinding, centrifugal separators spin out the pulp, leaving ultra-smooth milk. The biggest difference? Fortification. Store-bought soybean milk often adds vitamins like B12, calcium, and vitamin D to match cow's milk's nutritional profile. Some brands even blend in sweeteners or flavors. Homemade versions keep it pure, just beans and water. Thanks for watching part 1. If you want to learn more about creative ways to use soybean milk and its health tips, stay tuned for part 2. See you there. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.